Good morning, Beardsley Bears. We are so excited to be here today, and we're so excited to share information with you. Even though you're at home, we are thinking about you. What we're going to do is we're going to start with our flag salute. So if all of you can stand up, put your right hand over your heart. Miss Martha's going to go along, say it along with me. And ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you may be seated. So boys and girls, some of you are brand new to Beardsley. Some of you have been here for many, many years. And we want to remind you and also inform you, teach you about our PAWS. This week, we hope that you remember all of our PAWS, what the P, the A, the W, and the S stand for. And for those of you who never have learned about our PAWS, we hope that you learn them so you're ready to say it with us next week during our flag assembly. So I'm going to turn it over to guess who? Guess who? You're right. Da-da-da-da! Miss Martha!
Hi everybody, good morning and welcome to our first assembly. We are so excited that you are watching right now, and like Ms. Romero said, we are standing by our handy dandy sign that tells us or reminds you what each of the letters stand for in our PAWS. So for our new students, we have PAWS because we are bears. We are Beardsley Bears, and bears have PAWS. So we came up with our PAWS, and we'll just go over real quick what each one stands for. So our P stands for pride.
Pride.
Our A stands for attitude.
Attitude.
Because we want you to have a positive attitude in all that you do while you are on campus. Our W stands for wise choices.
Wise choices.
Always thinking about what you do before you do it. And our last one is safety. S for safety. When you are on campus, and you could actually take these rules out with you even at home while you are working. So we are so excited. I know that your teachers are going to be going over these with you. We are actually focusing on pride for this time. We are going to be asking your teachers, for those of you that remember, we had Student of the Month every month. Well, we are bringing that back.
Woo!
So our first focus is on pride. So your teachers are going to be talking about what that looks like in your classroom during distance learning. And they will be picking 2 students that will be highlighted in our very first flag assembly for Student of the Month. And when is that again?
I think that's next Friday. So they're going to tell them who had pride in themselves and their school as we started our first month of school in the month of August, because so many of you did such a fabulous job. And remember, just because your teacher doesn't have your name chosen for that month doesn't mean you weren't doing it. So keep a positive attitude about that, because we'll be doing this every month. But yes, next Friday, which I believe the 4th of September, but it's actually for the month of August. So get ready for that. Okay. Well, do you think we should do our chant now?
I think we should teach them.
Okay.
Especially for our kinders, our TKs, and for any new students that are new to Beardsley. We have a chant that goes along with our PAWS.
So we're going to go ahead and say it, and you guys are going to repeat it. We'll go slow the first time, and then we'll say it again the second time.
And
so
now,
boys and girls, we're going to say it together, and you're going to say it with us, because remember, we don't repeat it anymore. We want to hear your loud voices. Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Here we go. I can and I will have pride in myself and my school. I can and I will have a positive attitude. I can and I will make wise choices. I can and I will act safely. Go down. I can and I will I can and I will. I can and I will. Thank you, boys and girls. Make it a great day. The choice is yours.